Hello everyone, I just received the step drill bit. It comes in this package. It's a Flute design. It also has this end cap for protection. So it has 18 sizes. Starts from 3/16 all the way to 1.25 inches, which is pretty convenient. It cuts wood, plastic, metal, stainless steel. It will cut anything. And it is HSS M35 metal. It is titanium coated, tri-flatted, Shank, 3/8. Yes, it is 3/8 size. And let's see. Let me show you close up. Look at this. It also looks like a Christmas tree. Now, let's see it in action. So I have 3 different metal plates. I'm going to try to cut through all of them. Let's start with the thinnest one. So it reached the end. It won't go all the way down because of the bottom, but it obviously would. Let's try the other one. So this one cuts through like a butter also. Let's try the other one. Ooh, that works perfect. So, and at the end of the day, you've seen the results. This thing drills through like through the butter. It went through the 3 different metals from the thinnest to the thickest one, and it cuts through very good. I would definitely recommend getting one. It's not like you have the whole set, whole 18 drill bits. It's 18 in one. Get one.